Hey, do you need drinks too? All right. Yeah, it's a good thing I carry food in my truck. Picked up that homeless guy. Gave him about 2 days worth of food. Have to go wide so my shadow don't hit the water. How far do I have to go? I'm not sure. I'm gonna try right here. I seen movement. Watch that shadow. I don't want to spook anything. I see him. There he is. Oh, he's pissed. Don't get off. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, come here. Come on. Come on, stay on. Stay on. That's a nice size one. Yeah. Oh. Woo. Don't get it all over me. Easy now, easy. Yeah. Whoosh. Yeah. That's a dandy. First bass on a mealworm. I just put this down there yet. I got hit. Oh yeah, there's something. I just cast that. I'll leave the bell on. Screw it. Thank you. I just casted that. I was gonna go down over there. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Bluegill. Nice. Oh, look at the pink on that belly. Kind of looks like lavender or something. Nice. Fish aren't biting too good. You get a worm, make it weedless. You hear the frogs, you walk up, you see the tulies, you can't see the frog. And you just cast off in them tulies like so. And it bounce over, drop, bounce it a few times, see if something will grab it. If something grabs it, just set the hook. Oh, like that. Yeah, like that. Good luck getting that guy out of there, huh? Oh, you're a fat toad. Oh, you're a fatty. And that's how you catch bullfrogs. Just cast off in there like so. If there's something there, it'll come get it. I don't see nothing moving. Wait a minute, I saw something moving on the left. Always moving in. Did he get it? Oh, we got it. Oh, he said ow. Oh, he said ow. All right, come on. Oh, there we go, number 2. You found me, huh? You've been working too much. Thank you. What are you doing? Vaping now too? Huh? Vaping, smoking. Thank you. This is good. This is nice and cold. It's hot out here, huh?
okay.
It's not okay.
Yeah.
I've been here since, what, early this morning. I was like, I didn't think you was ever going to get here.
I know. My wife was no driver, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, no driver. Work, no driver. I'm
Hey.
a driver. Oh.
Your wife doesn't drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to get a new wife.
Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah.
Oh, that's what you work in? That car?
Yeah.
How in the hell do you sit like that? If I do,
Yeah.
I'd fall backwards. I don't see how you can eat in this heat. Your wife made that for you this morning?
I don't wanna. Yeah. I don't wanna eat the food.
Well, I don't want to eat it. I'm not hungry.
No, I don't wanna eat it.
No, you
What?
eat it.
Yeah.
No,
No.
I don't want it. I'm not hungry. I can't eat. You eat it. You eat it. No. I can't eat. Look.
No
broke.
problem.
No, I can't
Yeah.
eat it. No. Yeah, you ain't got no teeth either, but no, I'm not hungry. I can't eat. I'm sorry. I'm not. You eat it. You need to grow. You're about as high as my knee. Now don't choke.
Oh. Yeah, good.
You want them?
Yeah.
There's another one here.
Okay.
Another one in there.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Okay.
You're supposed to be catching fish. Oh, it got me all tangled up, dude. What? Oh, golly. Got me all tangled up with my other rod. It was worth it, eh? I gotta get that. What the heck? Get that finger down in there. Unpop that like so. Oh, I'm all tangled up, am I? Oh, you got my mealworm, dude. Woo, yeah.
The big one. Big one. Wow, like yeah. The big one. Maybe 15 inch, right?
Yeah. Oh, you're right. 15 inches.
Yeah, 15.
15.
Yeah, 15 inch.
Good call.
Good.
Dang it. It's either a carp or that's a carp. And then I gotta get that bass. Stay on, buddy. Oh, I gotta get my bobber too. Easy now. Easy now. Stay on. Stay on. Ah. You got room? That's probably just better this way, huh?
Oh, yeah, wow. Oh,
Frog,
Gaga.
carp,
yeah.
bass. Good stuff.
Beautiful.
I gotta get
Thank
home.
you.
I'll see you next time.
Yes.
Next time, be on time.
No, too big. Too big.
All right, that's good.
That could be something. No, good.
That's good. It was fun. It's hot though. We gotta do it when it cools down.
Okay.